Hyperliquid is the hottest perp exchange in crypto, and the whales trading there have to fund their accounts first by bridging real money in. In this video, we build a live dashboard that follows that money. How much is flowing into Hyperliquid each day, and exactly which wallets are the biggest depositors of the whales. It's all public on chain, and I'll explain every line of SQL as we build it. This is episode 2 of the Dune dashboard series. Here's the plan. We'll build 3 tiles. 1, the daily net inflow, how much money moves into Hyperliquid each day minus what leaves. 2, a leaderboard of the top depositors, the wallets bridging in the most, your whale watch list. And 3, the single biggest deposits, the individual whale moves. One quick note, Hyperliquid's per trader profit and loss lives on its own chain and isn't free on Dune. But the money flowing in is completely public, and that's a powerful signal on its own. So, how does money get into Hyperliquid? To trade, you deposit USDC through Hyperliquid's bridge contract, which lives on the Arbitrum chain. And here's the key insight that makes this easy. A deposit is nothing more than an ordinary token transfer, sending USDC to that one bridge address. So to see every deposit, we just look at every USDC transfer going to that contract. Withdrawals are the transfers coming back out. That's the whole trick. Dune has a clean table called tokens arbitrum dot transfers. One row for every token transfer on Arbitrum. We filter it down 2 ways. Contract address equals USDC, so we only look at USDC, and the destination equals the Hyperliquid bridge contract, so we only keep deposits. Then we just sum the amounts, group by wallet, and you get top depositors, group by day, and you get daily flow. Same table, 3 views. Let's write the first. For the daily net inflow, we use a neat trick. We want money in minus money out in a single number, so we sum a case expression. When the transfer is going to the bridge, count the amount as a plus, and when it's coming from the bridge, count it as a minus. Add those up per day, and you get the net flow. Positive on days more money came in, negative on days more left. We bucket by day with the trunk, exactly like episode 1. Let's run it. And there's the real query with real results. Reading tokens arbitrum.transfers. Each row is a day with the net USDC flow into Hyperliquid. Some days tens of millions of dollars pour in, other days it flows back out. This is live money movement straight from the chain. Let's turn it into a chart. Same move as last time. Over on the results panel, click new and pick bar chart from the visualizations menu. That's how you turn any query into a visual. Click new, choose a type. And look how good this is. Each bar is a day. Bars above the line are days money flowed into Hyperliquid. Bars below are days it flowed out. In one glance you can see the mood. The big inflow days when whales are piling in, and the outflow days when they're pulling back. That's tile number 1, the money tile. Now let's find the whales themselves. The whale leaderboard is almost the same query, but instead of grouping by day, we group by the sender, the from address. For each wallet, we sum how much USDC it has bridged in and count how many times. Order by the total, biggest first, and limit to the top 15. That's it, a live ranking of the wallets funding the most on Hyperliquid. Let's see who's on top. And here are the whales. The top wallet has bridged in over $51 million in the last 30 days. The next, 43 million. The third, nearly 30 million, across almost 200 deposits. These are the accounts moving serious size into Hyperliquid, and now you have their addresses. Copy anyone into an explorer, and you can watch everything it does. That's your whale watch list, tile 2. Mintake, one more view, the biggest single deposits. Instead of totaling per wallet, we just sort every individual deposit by size, largest first. Now you can see the exact moments a whale moved millions in one transaction with the timestamp and the address. This is how you catch a big player making a move in real time. 3 queries, 3 angles on the same money, time to put them on a dashboard. Remember from episode 1 more, okay? A dashboard is not a single chart, it's a scope, several charts on one page telling one story. So first we save each of our 3 queries with a clear name. Then we create the dashboard itself. Let's do it for real. Hit create, Choose dashboard and give it a name, Hyperliquid Whale Tracker. Notice the name becomes the dashboard's public web address, its link right there. Save and open, and you've got an empty dashboard live at its own URL, ready for tiles. Now the clean way to add each chart, go to the chart, click the three little dots right next to it, and choose Add to Dashboard. Dune asks which one, you pick Hyperliquid Whale Tracker, and the chart drops straight in as a tile. Do that for your net inflows chart, your whale leaderboard, and your biggest deposits, and they all land on one page. Arrange the tiles, hit done, and there it is, a live Hyperliquid Whale Tracker. The net inflow chart up top showing the money tide, and the leaderboard of the biggest depositors underneath. Everything updating straight from the chain. It lives at your own link, so you can share it or check it every morning to see where the smart money is moving. A real published on-chain dashboard built from scratch. Let's lock it in. Funding Hyperliquid means sending USDC to its bridge, so we read those transfers from tokens arbitrum.transfers. We build the daily net flow with a ±k streak, ranked the top depositors, and listed the biggest single deposits, then assembled all three into one live dashboard. The full SQL is in the description and pinned comment. Swap the address, and you can track the flows into any protocol you like. If building real on-chain dashboards step by step with the actual queries is your thing, that's exactly what this series is. These take real work to put together, so if it helped, the wallet's on screen and there's a Ko-fi link below. Every bit funds the next one. Thank you. You've got the whale tracker. Next time we make it come alive, we'll set it to refresh on a schedule and add parameters so you can filter down to only the deposits above a size you choose, turning this into a self-updating watch list. If you want to build dashboards that actually answer questions, subscribe. We build a new one from scratch each time. The full SQL for today is below. I'll see you in the next one.